What's the meaning of asset? Asset. Asset.
Asset. Asset. An asset is something of value that can be owned or controlled by an individual, organization, or entity. This can include physical property, such as buildings or equipment, as well as intangible assets, such as patents or copyrights. Assets are typically viewed as having economic value and can be used to generate income or increase the wealth of the owner. Additionally, assets can be used as collateral for loans or as a means of securing future financial stability. Overall, assets play a crucial role in the financial success of individuals and organizations alike.